This is the 55. Got the taillights on. Got the slider windows on. Got the interior in. Roll cage is in. Grill's in. Headlights in. Parking lights in. Yeah, just had to put the bumper on. The battery on. Yeah. Possibly gonna put side pipes on it. We'll see. Or shorty pipes, that is. So yeah, we'll see. Gonna put the bumper on the Superbird. Um, James's 57. I got the tilt front end all together. Just have to do a second round of Bono on this side. That side's pretty done. Ready for primer. The body has got the radius in it now. So yeah, I just had to do some lightning holes right on the fish mount right there. I don't want to do it, but it's part of James's 57, the groovy gasser, as I call it. So it has to look like James's gasser, and I have to do that. So because it is for James. So yeah, I found